Hello guys, today I will show you how you can create your resume for free using canva.com. Okay, so first thing you just need to create your Canva account and just go to the learn, click on resume maker. So once you click on resume maker, so there is a new page will show you free online resume builder. Click on build my resume. So this will open for resume editor to create your own custom resume. Okay, so we have also the canvas also give us some ready-made some professional design for resume. You can choose any design you want. Okay, or anything special for your related category or your sort of profession. So I will choose my category for software engineer. So this will bring all the template related to software engineer, or you can use some other template also if you don't want to use specifically for software engineer. So for example, I will choose this one. Now I can use this resume to update my information from this particular resume. So here is the person name, so I will rename to my name and give all the other necessary detail, my skills, my all the information that I want to provide in my resume. So his education, his skills levels, and contact info, and my description for all the work experience. Okay, so in this way you can just create your resume. So if we have a multiple page resume, so you can click on add page and copy this content. For example, I just want to make same content from the second page, so I will copy this and paste there. Okay, so you see, so we can create this way from our multi-page application, multi-page resume for free using Canva. Okay, after you have done your resume updation, you have done all the changes that you want. So we can click on file, click on download, and you can select file type from there. So here is a different file type like JPG, PNG, PDF, print, or whatever file you want, so you can download. So I will just go with PDF standard and click on download. Okay. So now my downloading will be start once the processing is done. So you see, icon is processing and now downloading is done. Okay, so I will click on this. My resume is download done. So let me click and open my resume. So you see, I have just created my resume in less than 2 minutes with professional looking design. Okay, so in this way you can just create your own custom or professional looking resume for free using Canva tool. Okay, so here you can just, if you want to just change some color design, so you just pick the color and change whatever the color you like or you want to change. And also you can change the font color, whatever you want. All thing is, I think, is editable, so you can just modify according to your need. And also you can select multiple categories type, or you can search based on your uh, like tech lead position or whatever. So you can give your search criteria or search specification. So it will give you the related template from resume, so you can choose and create your own resume. Thank you very much, please.